lip lift, says Dedivanovic. Once the lip is in the place, add a sheer layer of translucent powder to set it and prevent feathering as the night goes on. Guys, this was all about how to glow and sparkle according to Kim Kardashian West makeup artist called Marc Dedivanovic. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until the next video, see you, bye bye.